Hello, my name is Samara, and I have a pepper that's been sent to me by Dean from Conjured Vaporz Peppers. This is the Aji Rainforest. So I thought the name was very fascinating. It turns out it originates from the rainforests of Brazil, so that's pretty neat. I like the shape of it. And the color is so bright. Let's cut her open and see what's up. I've been loving macadam peppers lately. Whoa, that smells really nice. There we go. Okay. Yeehaw and stuff. Ta-da! Check that out. Fascinating, really. I'm gonna gather some seeds here real quick. Okay, cool. Wow! A lot more than I intended. Okay, cool. Smells like a tomato plant, per usual, for macadams. My guess is this is probably gonna be pretty sweet. The Aji Rainforest pepper, grown by Dean at Conjured Vaporz Peppers. Thank you very much, Dean. Do you hear that? Crunches like an apple. Wow, that's juicy. Whoa. That's good. That's real good. I maybe even like that flavor more than the Aji Fantasy. Well, let's wait till I get it all down. Whoa. To me, at least, zero heat. Nothing. Online it said there should be some. Oh. It's maybe like a 0.01. Like I can detect like a whisper of it trying to be hot, but it's really not. It's just really, really sweet. If there's people, who don't like heat at all, this wouldn't be a zero heat pepper, but this one would maybe be tolerable. The flavor is definitely fantastic. Oh my goodness. That was insane. Wow. That was real juicy, really fruity, pretty citrusy, very, very sweet. Very sweet. Wow. That was fantastic. Ugh, if I had a plant of those, I would just be eating those all day like berries. That would, those are so good. Oh my goodness. The rainforest knows what's going on. Anyways, that's really all there is to say. Fantastic pepper. Thank you so much, Dean. I really appreciate you sending that to me. If you'd like to check out my Instagram and my TikTok, description below. If you want to view more videos, on the screen. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.